Yeah. 12 p.m. studios. Let's get into it. Now, I love me some sunglasses, and I needed indoor because we get into fall and winter, so I want something I can wear outside and inside because it's just something about wearing the sunglasses, your outfit, it elevates. It's like wearing jewelry. It's like an extra jewelry piece. And I love me some jewelry. So this is one order. I actually placed two orders because my first order, I forgot to add one. So this came separately. We'll start with this one. This is a photo of Janae Naylor. Packaging. Packaging. I love good packaging. I love that. Beautiful. It just adds to the experience, the shopping experience to have good packaging. Let's break it open. Break it open. Ooh, yes. This says luxury. This says I care. Packaging 100. More crock. This just spoke to my soul. The branding everywhere. This is a luxury experience just opening. This is the London blue with a silver rim. I do not have any indoor sunglasses with a silver rim, silver frame. Great indoor, everyday wear. For those of you office girlies, I don't think you have to worry about violating any dress code. You can be fashionable, cute, great weight to them. They fit great. No sliding. Oh, still in place. I love the cushions on the nose. They do not touch my cheeks. I have a big old head, so it's not squeezing. On point. Love it, hands down. Yes, exactly what I was looking for. Each come with their very own case. So you don't have to worry about ruining your glasses, scratching the lens. I used to be horrible at that. To where I would just wear them on the top of my head. And that's not always cute. Branding, of course, still on point. I have 3 pair in this order. The unboxing experience is unmatched. Very luxurious. Milan in black. 12 p.m. studios inside of the left arm. Love this. Good weight. Nice heavy. Very snug fit. You know, there was some Dior. Was that Dior? I think there were Dior glasses I wanted that was similar to this. Too expensive, number one. Number two, too freaking tight. They gave me a headache just trying them on in the store. But not this. I love the gold detail here. Ooh, she is ready. It is not touching my cheeks. Makeup is safe and secure, untouched, sitting nicely on the nose, comfortable on the ears. The perfect summer sunglass, vacation, Mediterranean cruise, bay, yacht life. This is the look. New Year's coming. Get you a yacht and your sunglasses in South Beach. That's all you need to bring in the new year, right? Yeah. Maybe champagne. This is going to be London in silver brown. I love a good brown sunglass. I think it goes great with my skin tone. Makes me so happy to get a good tortoiseshell or like a brown gradient lens, brown frame. And this one is silver. Again, something I do not have. This is literally the only 2 silver frames that I have now. It's from 12 p.m. Studios. Oh, bitches. She has money. The black card. The heavy card. That's what this says. Ooh, I'm here for brunch and my Chanel bag. The vintage one. The good one. Ooh, I love, again, not touching my makeup. Makeup is secure. These fit me perfectly. Look, big head friendly. This is fabulous. Day event, good old brunch, date night, girls night out, girls trip, by the pool, on the rooftop, deck top, whatever you do, child. This is a look. Very sophisticated and elegant. Not elegant, elegant. Get you some. I love London. I should go to London. Final item in this order, because I ordered. This is NYC Black and Pink. Let's see how this looks on me. Now, I believe, gorgeous packaging. I cannot get over this packaging. This is, no. This is NYC Red. I believe they're calling it red, but it's a gradient. I love a gradient lens. That is the most sophisticated, the most drama-filled lens for me. It just says, I'm here, bitch. And I love the drama of this. Like, look at the detail, giving you a little something extra that you can feel, a little something extra for the people to eat. The thicker arms, I love that. Again, yes! Not touching my cheeks. Makeup is secure. Bitch. Now this says NYC. Now I see NYE in Vegas. Ooh. New Year's is coming up, and the gradient on the lens, I can still wear these inside. On a rooftop, bringing in the new year, starting a new year off right. I love me some Vegas. It is a time to be had in Vegas. Woo! The bar hopping, all the DJs will be out. The club. Who? Me, boo, me. These are fire. NYC Red. So that wraps up part 1 of Unboxing Fall series. Stay tuned for the next one. We have more to get into. We have clothes to style up, and I'm going to show you how. Thank you for watching. Yeah.